All right, let's look at dividing numbers in scientific notation to a power. So when you divide powers, you're going to subtract your exponents. So in this case, we divide our numbers first. So we have 8 divided by 4 gives us 2. And then we have to work with our exponents. So we have 10 to the third divided by 10 to the ninth. So in this case, we would have 10 to the negative 6. If you wish to write it out with a decimal, because most of the time you do see scientific notation, or a lot of the time I should say, you see scientific notation with a decimal, absolutely you can. It's not going to change the value at all. Let's take a look at another one. So I have 4.21 times 10 to the 7th divided by 4.81 times 10 to the 5th. All right, in this case, I already divided these numbers out, and I ended up with quite a lot of digits behind the decimal. So in this case, I'm just going to round to the 10th, or the 100th in this case, because I need to end up with a number between 1 and 10. This is my little reminder to myself that I need to end up there. So after I divide my numbers, I'm going to use that. Now I'm going to worry about my exponent piece next. So 10 to the 7th divided by 10 to the 5th. So I'm subtracting my exponents when I divide. So this is 0.25 times 10 to the second. Now, we need a number between 1 and 10. So I'm going to move my decimal place once, and I have 2.5 times, and I'm going to take that space move, or that move, out of that. And that's how I end up with rounding to the 10th. All right, let's take a look at a third example. So we have 8.4 times 10 to the negative 5th divided by 2, 10 to the negative 8. So we're going to divide these first so that it ends up with 4.2, and then I'm going to do these pieces. So I have 10 to the negative 5th minus, divided by actually, this piece. We set it up like this, and I have 4.2 times 10 to the third.